Hey Chams, what's up?
I hope you guys will be enjoying your lockdown days. So here today we are going to discuss JEE mains in advance briefly and the revision strategies and all different aspects. So IIT and NITs are one of the most prestigious institutes of our country basically. And naturally students from all over the country wanted to get into these institutes as the demand of these institutes is very high then. So in this video, we will deal with JEE mains in advance. So welcome to my channel. I am Roshan Jivnani, your mathematics mentor for IIT JEE. So before this video, I would like you guys to watch that introduction of IIT of my last day video. That will help you. Now, JEE, that is a joint entrance examination. Until 2018, the CBSE used to conduct it, but now from 19 onwards, the National Testing Agency, that is NTA, only for the JEE mains used to conduct it. Now, JEE Advanced is conducted by one of the 7 zonal IITs only. JEE Mains is conducted by NTA and JEE Advanced is conducted by one of the 7 zonal IITs. So, under the JEE Mains, you will objectify to get 31 NITs, 25 triple ITs, and 28 GFTI, that is government funded technical institutes. And for the JEE Advanced, after giving JEE Mains exam, for the JEE Advanced, you will get 23 IITs. Now, setting your goal as early as possible in your preparation process proves to be very crucial. Your goals can be anything. It can be like a particular college or even a particular course or a specified course from a specified college. So you have to be very clear about your goal first. What actually you want. So let's take an example. Write down on a piece of the paper and stick into your desk. That will make you again and again enthusiastic about your goal. So taking example is just like a random example that my goal is NIT Trichy. So for that you have to make your goal more realistic. Unnecessarily कुछ भी नहीं सोच लेना है. Motivate you to reach that level. Constant motivation need to be there. That because that all these things will help you to shape your entire preparation model. Because there are thousands and lakhs of students who used to compete for the top NITs, top IITs, and there are only limited seats like this. So to get the top institutes of the top branches, there are only limited seats. Now, just like under the JEE mains, we have different structures of that. There are 3 types of exams: Mode A, Mode B, and Mode C. What is a Mode A? Mode A is for the BE BTech aspirants, completely computer based and consists of mathematics, physics, and chemistry. The Mode B for the BArch students, computer based. Part 1 is mathematics, part 2 is aptitude, and part 3 they have their drawing paper. Drawing is under pen and paper. It is not online. And for the Mode C, that is B planning aspirants, the part 1 is their mathematics, part 2 is their aptitude, and part 3 is their planning. So now under this, we will go through these thoroughly. Now, JEE mains paper 1, Mode 1, that is for the BE and BTech students, which we all guys are focusing on. That is 25 questions and maximum marks is 300. I have told you yesterday. Under mathematics, it is 25 questions, 20 MCQs, and 5 objectives. Same here for the physics and same here for the chemistry. Now, basically, the weightage is quite important. You have to assure with your goals that what are your goals. Should be assured about it. You have to aware of your competition. These both things are very important. What actually you want to achieve, your goals, and what are the competition you have to deal with them. So as a weightage of each and every topic is like choosing the right path to reach your goal. So these 2 things are very important. You should be clear with your goals. You should be aware of a competition so that you can reach the right path. So I am like to describe you about the different weightages of different subjects, such like physics, chemistry, and mathematics. These are the roughly weightages. You have to connect with your concerned teacher also, but they are appropriate. The physics, for the 25 questions, the weightage are just like the 25% of the total consists of the mechanics. Around 22.58% consists of electrodynamics. Nearly 12.90 deals with the heats and thermodynamics. Around 85.55 deals with modern physics. Optics of 14.52. And lastly and not leastly, SHM consists of 6.45 weightage of total syllabus of 25 questions of physics. Now come to the chemistry. Chemistry consists of 3 parts, around 36% of the physical chemistry, 34% of the organic, and 30% of inorganic. These weightages vary from year to year, but they are the roughly approximate weightages. Under mathematics, that 15.20% of differential calculus, 7.26 of probability, 16.94 of integral calculus, 8.06% at trigonometry. Of coordinate geometry consists of nearly 14.52%. This is an algebra, complete algebra. Matrix determinant and complete algebra consists of 11.29%. So these weightages are very important. You should know about all these things. Basically, to summarize this, physics, chemistry, and maths of these weightages, to prioritize the important topics is very, very important. You have to analyze the topic which you feel is very tough. And the weightage it has on its paper. Paper में किस topic का कितना weightage है, कौन सा topic कितना tough है, कितना easy है. So that efforts can be made to master on that topic. Basically, prioritizing does not mean that other topics can be omitted. Every topic mentioned in the syllabus needs to be covered very thoroughly without skipping. But important topics को prioritize करना is very important. ठीक है, so that you can master that topic and it can help you in your exam. Because it is just like a competition. You have to compete. Now, under the mode B, mode A was very, very important. Basically, all the students and you all guys are aiming for that. But for the mode B, few students there. For the B arc students, there are 77 questions. The maximum marks is 400. For the mathematics, 25 questions, 20 plus 5. Aptitude consists of 50 MCQs. There are multiple choice, means more than one answer is there. And drawing of 2 questions is there. Okay. Now the mode C is there, B planning aspirants. There are 100 questions, around 400 marks it is, 25 questions of mathematics, 20 plus 5. Aptitude of 50 questions, and planning consists of 25 questions here. Getting my point? Now come to the JEE Advanced. Now for the JEE Advanced, that is admission into the IIT. After clearing the mains of top around 2.5 lakh students, you are eligible for the JEE Advanced test. And under it, you can get IITs. So the exam consists of 2 papers, 3 hours of both. The paper consists of physics, chemistry, and maths again, physics, chemistry, and maths. And on the question paper, the instructions are given there. Well, in the mains, the paper pattern is defined, but for the advanced, around every year, the paper switches. There are different strategies, different instructions of the positive, negative marking, what to deal, how to deal, single correct, multiple choice, passages, column matching, a number of things. So these instructions to the candidate will come into the paper every year differently. Now, around JEE mains consist of English and Hindi, but Daman and Diu, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and Gujarat. So these are the areas where Gujarati also has been mentioned for the JEE mains. But in the JEE Advanced, only and only English and Hindi language is preferred. Now the available seats, you guys talk to know everything. Basically, the number of seats are NITs consist of around 21,000 to 24,000 seats. IITs consist of 4 to 5,000 seats, and GFTIs, that is government funded technical institute, consist of around 6 to 7,000 seats, and they are roughly consist of 31 to 33,000 for the JEE mains. So these all are institutes you will got from the JEE main. Now, the top 250,000 around ranked students are eligible for the JEE Advanced, and the top 13,000 of the JEE Advanced are eligible to get all the IIT seats. So this is a description of the IIT. Now, under the weightages of different seats in 2019 JEE mains, the paper 1, around 9 to 10 lakh students appear for the BE BTech, of which 71 to 72% consist of boys, around 28 of girls, and 5 times. Paper 2, because the paper consists of 2 phases now after the NTA, it consists of one of the January and second of the April. So in April attempt, that is paper 2 of 2019 data. No, it is of JEE mains of only of the first. Around 1.8 lakh candidates appeared for the BARC and B planning of the January attempt. 57% of boys, 42 of girls, and 1 transgender is there. Now, the fact is that the revision is quite very, very important. Because just like preparation, revision has to be done very effectively in your life. So revising all the concepts has to be done very effectively. Proper revision is only results to the better results in your life. So revision is quite very important. As a practice makes everyone better, everyone, including you and me, both, everyone makes better. So including practice tests in your revision schedule is the best strategy ever. Practice test बहुत ज़्यादा important है. For the revision, revise and take the test. So, because practice test makes you to feel the environment of the test. That increases your speeds, and revision increases your accuracy. So both the things are quite important. जब भी कोई topic finish हो जाए, just like in your mathematics, you have finished your log and basic mathematics, so you have to give test. You have to revise it, because these things only can make you speed and accuracy. Now, mock test, what are these mock tests and how they are going to help us? Because of these practice tests, it boosts up your confidence. आप जितना ज़्यादा score करेंगे, it immense your confidence. Just like you are got too familiar with the exam patterns. Repeatedly, आप exam patterns से बहुत familiar हो जाएंगे. It increases your speeds, and the more the number of exams you give, the more number of mock tests you give, it relaxes you. No stresses or anxieties have been made. Because giving you tests, it helps you to know where are your negative points, where are you getting these questions wrong. It boosts up your score immensely. It makes you know कि आप कहाँ गलत होते हो, क्या गलतियां होती हैं, क्वेश्चन पढ़ने में प्रॉब्लम है कि सॉल्विंग करने में प्रॉब्लम है कि वेर यू मेक अ मिस्टेक्स ऑफ प्लस का माइनस कर दिया, माइनस का प्लस कर दिया. ऐसा पूरा आंसर आ चुका था, बिल्कुल सही आया था, बट ऑप्शन ए लगा दिया जल्दबाजी में, बट बी आंसर दिया. सो दीज थिंग्स मेक्स अ difference. So now, according to me, as the exam consists of 25 questions, but you should practice around 30 questions, 27 to 30 questions in an hour, because you will get enough time. By the practice, you will get enough time in your exam to get more complicated questions, more complicated objective questions type in your exam. So around 27 to 30 questions should be practiced in an hour. The immense way of learning everything or revising is that at the last of the day, at the night, you should reconcile that what you have read. Writing is very, very important. You should write everything, because while writing, your brain can memorize that, yes, I learned this today. You should write all the formulas in your page. जो भी chapter होता है, trigonometry, logarithm, basic mathematics, you should, at night, you should write everything as a formula sheet, as a brief description, as a summary, so that you can recall or recognize these things, because these things are very important. I said na, learning by writing is quite very important. You should write. बहुत लोग लिखते नहीं है, लिखना is very important. Now, the fact is like that there are lots of students, lakhs of students, but the seats are very limited. Just like for the single seats, there are around 18 to 20 students are here. ठीक है, both the boys and girls, but seat is only one. Yes, there's a very tough competition, but yes, there is a very tough competition. So you have to be very motivated, be very confident, be very strategic for the 2 years to grab it. And yes, we all want that IIT to crack it. Now, what are the best strategies? So again, just recall and re-summarize all the things. Then we have to first set up your goals. What is our goal? What actually we want? What is our college preference? What is our seat preference? What is our course preference? You have to understand the changed exam pattern always. What are the exam patterns? The number of questions, the number of the marks, what are the negative and positive things. You have to identify the most important topics. So every important is very important, but most importants are quite important. You have to prepare a solid timetable, what to study, when to study, what are the strategies and all. You have to, with your practice tests thoroughly, practice tests are quite very important. You have to write everything and what you learn. I have told you, na, learning by writing is quite very, very important. You have to go through your study material. Study material helps immensely. Now, the last not the least, but there is no shortcut to the success. You guys should understand. कोई shortcut नहीं है success की. One must put their heart and soul to move towards success. What is very important. Your heart and soul should be concentrated to your success. Keep working hard, and you will reach your goal before you know it. So keep working hard, and keep working hard. So I think that we have finished with our today's school year. So stay connected and stay tuned. This video, these types of videos now won't come in a WhatsApp group. I again told you, these types of videos will only be in my YouTube channel, so you can stay connected with there. Thank you, students.